Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th. Me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Nosharuf Rose, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn about the languages which were developed in each generation. So dear students, we have studied that there are 5 generations, and in each generations different major languages, major devices and major inventions were developed. So today's our lecture is based on the major language which was developed in first generation language, and this language is known as machine code. So dear students, machine code language was very difficult for programmers to write down the programs in machine code, because machine code used a lot of attention to detail. So dear students, first generation language as machine code was very difficult, so programmers feel a lot of difficulties to type the programs in machine code. So dear students, machine code language can be processed directly by microprocessors. Programmers do not use this language because it requires a lot of attention to detail. So dear students, this is the lecture that is based on the first generation language, and your homework is to give the names of the inventions and devices which were developed in first generation language or first generation computers. It means you will have to write down the names except first generation language. So you will have to tell the major inventions and major devices which were developed in first generation computers. So dear students, your lecture is winded up here, and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 7th.